I'm Matt Love, and you're watching AmsterdamVideo.com.
Hey guys, it's just past Pentecost, and I'm in need of some home domotics. Yeah guys, domotics! Home automation! I'm slowly dabbling in home automation, domotics, to improve on living comfort and save some energy on the side. It's a nice thing to do in this day and age. But firstly, I'm heading over to a customer who has a problem with his printer.
The stars over Amsterdam.
Well, customer had a severed Ethernet connection, so reconnecting that cable fixed their problem. And now they can print again. Anyway, the workday has come to an end, so I'm now on my way to Ikea for some cheap, smart light bulbs. Evening traffic at the Ring Amsterdam. Well, made it to Ikea, and Ikea did some remodeling. So here we are, Ikea's smart lighting solution, Trådfri. Excuse my pronunciation. It's way cheaper than alternatives like the Philips Hue or whatever. Well, 3 lights for now. That will suffice. Actually, I need one more, but they didn't have that model right now, so I'll have to come back for that another time. After shopping, it's dinner time. And what better than at the Ikea snack bar? This is so cheap, guys. It's like 70 cents for a hot dog or whatever. Just one downside, they don't offer serving trays, so here's a pro tip. Bring your own empty box, because it's gonna be messy. Yep, now leaving Ikea. And things at Ikea, they are changing. Anyway, let's get out of here. In other news, Apple Pay has finally been introduced today. So I use it here in the Ikea for my first purchases. And I have to say, it works brilliantly. Great. Anyway, even though it's evening, it's still quite warm. I have the air conditioning up. And now it's time to head on back to HQ. So yeah guys, back in the village, almost back at HQ, and with this last bit of village footage, I'd like to end today's short, but still nice little video. I hope you enjoyed watching this everyday kind of video. It's a change to the nowadays more common sightseeing videos I make. We now get to see just a village. Not so long ago, right here was the place where the old motorway, the old A9 motorway went. But not nowadays anymore. So yeah, that's it guys. See you next time. Cheerio!